Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403. Okay, first things first, you want to make sure that you are not currently logged in into Roblox. If you have the Roblox app downloaded, make sure you quit Roblox completely. To do this, just open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Find any Roblox processes here and end any task related to it. Now, let's move on to the next step. We are going to clear out the Roblox app data folder. To do this, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key plus R. Type in %app data percentage and hit enter. This will open up a window like this. From here, just open the local folder and then scroll down until you find the Roblox folder and go ahead and delete it. This step follows and helps remove any potentially corrupt data that might be causing the error 403. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox error code 403. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.